Hello, I will be walking you through our trip itinerary to Japan today through Google Earth. So we will begin on the 14th at Appalachian State University, where we will travel to Charlotte International Airport. We will then catch a joint flight to John F. Kennedy International Airport, where we will finally take the last flight and arrive in Japan. So on day one, the 15th, we will go to Mare Mucha, which is the hotel we will be staying at for a few days. We will then visit Museum of Art along with Yoyogi Park, where we will have lunch. Nextly, we will go to Nizu Museum, and that will complete our day one. Day two, we will visit Tokyo Tower, Imperial Palace, Nabashima Shoto Park, and that will complete our day two. Day three, we will prepare for departure to Kyoto. In Kyoto, we will visit the Peace House of Sakura, Kyoto International Manga Museum, Shorin-en Muzika Temple, and Fuju Ojo for dinner, which is a ramen restaurant. Moving on to the 20th, we will visit Nazun Jin Temple, Higashima Jisoji Temple, and Kyoto National Museum. To finish up day 20, or the 20th, we will eat at Teppanyaki restaurant. And we will also visit Tuzin restaurant. Nextly, on the 21st, we will go to Kyoto Station to prepare departure for Osaka. Here we see the Osaka hotel that we will be staying at. And also, we will be staying at Hotel Shin Osaka for a few days. While in Osaka, we will be visiting Shitenjoji Temple, Samayoshi Sharin, and then we will finish up the day with a Tokiyaka restaurant. On the next day, we will go to Osaka Aquarium, Osaka Castle, National Bunruka Theater, and we will finish up the day with Mayan Park. The next day we will go to Shinsekia, Edion Arena Osaka, which is a sports arena. And we will finish up the trip at a seafood restaurant. We will then travel to Osaka International Airport to prepare for departure. We will catch a joint flight at Haneda Airport. We will catch another joint flight in Dallas International Airport. And then we will fly to our final destination, Charlotte International Airport. Thank you for watching. I hope this gave you a quick walkthrough of how our trip will go.